Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and I just wanted to share a little clip with y'all. You know, I've been working on the studio. I want to get a little bit of y'all's input. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole room. I'm just going to turn my camera a little bit to show you a little bit of it. Any advice, any suggestions, I would love to hear them. I'm trying to make it to where there's a few different spots where I can film. Right here, I would do my main unboxings, things like that. And then, of course, you have the walkway. And let me just turn you. Oh, don't look at what's in there. Now, I do have all my giveaway stuff sorted in those boxes, which I do intend to try to find a better way to do that. If you have any suggestions or storage, different things, anything, I would really appreciate the help. Of course, I've got my little walkway where I do my try-ons. Y'all, I'm pointing and y'all can't even see. Oh my goodness, look, the cats have put a little squeezy ball over there on the floor. This is the latest addition. Yesterday, I added the table. It's been in our storage shed for almost 5 years, so I pulled it out. I put that, yeah, you can see it right there, the Old English on it, because I left it out so I could do a few more layers of Old English and try to bring it back. So I can sit right there and do more close-up to some of the makeup, things like that. I can leave it sitting where you can see them. Of course, I have to decorate the wall behind it. And you can see Miss Bonnie is enjoying the table. And I would put a blanket there for her to lay on. I don't know if Teddy is going to stay on the recliner, y'all. This is going to tickle y'all. Hang on, it's still a mess, but look at that. This is what's behind the camera. So I've got the TV, or I can see myself. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. No, you can't see me. I've got the TV set up to where I can see myself behind the camera. I'm using the front-facing camera. And of course, that's all still junky. Just ignore the junk. We got Thelma and Louise. That's my two mannequins. I have to name the third one. And then over there, I've got me a little desk area sitting to where I can edit my videos, do any advertising, things like that I need to do. So hang on, let me spin you back around. Whee! There's certain parts of this room I don't want to show because it's too cluttered. But this is a little sneak peek of it. You can see my closet in the background is a mess. So I do have some decorations and stuff over there, but you'll never see them because the closet's too much of a mess. I need to get a screen to put there, and I haven't done that yet. All right, y'all let me know. Feedback. What did you think? Do I have this too cluttered? I feel like this is a little cluttered, and maybe I need to size down on what I have sitting here on the table. I just want y'all's opinion. And, you know, if somebody gives me opinion and I go and get what they suggest or do what they suggest, and they feel like they're a part of the channel, and that's really what I want. I want y'all to feel like you're a part of this channel because y'all mean so much to me, and I hope you know it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.